So this is the Muscle implementation of mem, and if you don't know, mem is just find substring in a string, where we already know the length, so we don't call strlen, or it's not gonna terminate when it finds the null terminator. And so how does this actually work? We have some bit shifts here, bitwise OR, and then uint16. So why uint16? Well, uint16 will just mean that it'll be guaranteed to be able to represent at least 16 bits. And why 16 bits? Well, the way this works is it's going to combine the two characters here, n0 and n1, to want uint, right? And why 16? Well, a character is 1 byte, and 1 byte is 8 bits, right? An unsigned char can represent from 0 to 255, which is 256, right? And 2 to the power of 8 is 256, right? 8 digits, right? 8 bits. So simply it's going to put two characters, or combine two characters into uint. And the way we do that is basically put all the bits that represent n0, so the first character, in the left side of the uint. So like let's say this is the uint, right? And then we have 16, I don't know, but we have 16, let's say. And so let's say this is n1 or n0. So we're going to put n0 in well, I guess uint. We're going to put n0 in the uint, in the left side of the uint. And how do we do that? Well, we just shift it to the left by 8, right? This is not an accurate representation or something, but and then we combine that with the n1, right? And so we're going to combine them by just ORing them. So let's say 0 or 0 is 0, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0. Take all the ones, right? And yeah, that's basically how it works. And in the loop, it's just going to update the haystack, right? We are from h0 and h1. It's going to shift all the bits to by 8. So it's going to the left side, the h0 here is in the left side of the uint, right? So it's going to be shifted to the left, discard it, and then the old where it was in the right is going to be shifted to the left, right? And then the right side of it is gonna be filled with a new character, right? And if it finds that the needle and haystack is the same, it's going to return the haystack.